or just a few minutes ago. This is allowing your body to take a rest so that you can perform better at your work. But for now, you are completely enjoying this moment. Bring your awareness to your fingers. Perhaps you work with your fingers or your hands. Notice how they are taking a moment of stillness. Allow for your hands to remain motionless. All tension in the fingers is unwinding, giving you a break from all that hard work that you do. Bring attention to your entire hands now, including the wrists. They don't have to do anything right now. All the cells in your hands are regenerating. Very good. Perhaps you want to bring your attention to just your palms now. The palms of your hands. Notice how sensitive they are to temperature, texture, focusing on only the palms of your hands. This is very relaxing. Every moment that you give yourself to relaxation, it boosts your ability to work. Your productivity goes up, and working is a breeze. It only takes a short time, 10 minutes, to rest and rejuvenate, getting back to a more productive day. You are more relaxed now than you've been all day, and this is a blessing. Now imagine that a motivation is coming into you. New, fresh energy is coming your way. If you'd like, you can imagine that you can breathe in this new energy, breathing in, feeling rejuvenated, each day at work, you accomplish so much, and each day you take time to relax. Allow your shoulders to drop down.